In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp archive not showing if your archived chats seem to have disappeared or the archived folder isn't appearing where you expect it. Follow along and we'll refresh the settings that control how archives behave, clear temporary files, and make sure your app is up to date. Start by opening WhatsApp. We're going to adjust a setting that directly affects how archived conversations show up. On Android, open the main chat list and tap the three dots in the top right to open the menu. If you're on iPhone, head to the Settings tab from the bottom of the screen. From there, go into Settings, then Chats. This is where WhatsApp controls how your archived chats are handled across the app. Find the option called Keep Chats Archived. Go ahead and turn this off. This toggle determines whether archived conversations stay tucked away even when new messages arrive. Turning it off temporarily helps reset the archive state in case something got stuck after an update or a sync. Give it a moment to register the change. About 5 to 10 seconds is enough. Then turn Keep Chats Archived back on. This quick off and on acts like a soft refresh and often brings the archived section back to the top of your chat list or restores it inside your chat view as expected. Next, we'll clear the app's cache to remove any temporary data that might be preventing the archive from displaying correctly. Open your phone's system settings. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, find WhatsApp and open it, then go into Storage and tap Clear Cache. Don't tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Cache is safe to remove and won't delete your messages, media, or account info. If you're on a device that doesn't show a Clear Cache button, that's okay. Some platforms simply don't expose this option, and you can skip this step. Finally, check for updates. Head to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp, and see if there's an update button. Install any available update, then reopen WhatsApp. Updates often include small fixes that address display glitches like missing archive sections. After these steps, return to your chat list and look for archived at the top. If you're using the setting to keep chats archived, it should remain tucked away even when new messages come in. If you turn that setting off, archived chats may pop back into your main list when they receive new messages. Either way, the archive should now be visible and working normally. That's it. Open WhatsApp, toggle the archive, setting off and back on, clear the cache if your device allows it, and make sure you're on the latest version. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your archive chats showing again.